What's happening, everyone? It's Jeffrey for Let's Locals, your favorite travel advisor. Today we came to the Qinling mountain range and we are standing at the foot of Mount Cuihua in search for a typical Xi'an delicacy that is also part of the 8 Shaanxi Peculiarities, Guokui. Now let's go and check it out. Guokui is a flatbread-like delicacy as big as the wheel of a car. Its preparation process gets taken care of very meticulously. The bread is made by baking dough on a very slow fire, which causes the outside to become very crispy, while the inside maintains its softness. Guokui is made with wheat flour dough and therefore has a very distinct wheat flour taste. Now, usually you will not eat it directly. It is very common to add some filling in between, and this can be anything you want. But if you want to do it the traditional Shaanxi way, you try to find a dish that has a lot of peppers in there, green ones, red ones. The spicier, the better. A real treat for the taste buds. Guokui from Shaanxi traces all the way back to the Shang period when it was used as army food. When the soldiers ate one of these whole, then of course you have a lot of energy, and it is said that in that time the size was also a bit bigger, so it would be 60 centimeters in diameter and 15 centimeters in thickness. Can you imagine that? So big. And it is also said that the soldiers would carry it on their chests to protect them from incoming arrows. Wow, unbelievable. Can you see me running on the battlefield with this on my chest? Crazy. Now, 1,000 years later, guokui is still frequently eaten, but it's not used to protect you from arrows anymore. But what it does do is give you a full stomach. Now, if you love the video, drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want to know more about China and its delicacies, subscribe to our channel. Jeffrey out.